In this video, you are going to learn how to create YouTube videos in minutes using AI content creation tools. So, before starting this video, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get a notification of my next video. So, to create videos, you have to go for writesonic.com. This is the website, that means writesonic.com, and this is the artificial intelligence tools to create content for your video script. So now you have to, if you have an account here, then sign in, or if you don't have an account, then sign up for this AI creation tools. Now I have already an account of these tools and I am going to sign in. Here you can see that I have already signed in to my account. Here you can see that I have a project for affiliate marketing. So we have to choose a topic that we can want to create our content to make the video. So our topic is affiliate marketing. We are going to create a content for affiliate marketing. So here you can see that AI article writer 2.0. So we are going to use these options to create our content. So click on this, and here you can see the what is our topic, and here you can see the 4 steps. Step number one is come up with ideas. So we have to select a content idea or content topic, and then step number 2, generate an intro. And in this step we will generate the intro of our topic. And step number 3, get an outline. That means the body of our content or topic. And step number 4, here we will generate our article draft. So just imagine something that we are going to create content about, and here we can go for affiliate marketing. So we have a title, and here is the website, which is AnswerSocrates. Here we will get awesome ideas of your topic. That means I am going for affiliate marketing, and this is country for United States and language for English. Here we will go for SaaS, and you can see that a lot of topic, that means outline of this affiliate marketing keyword. So here we will get a lot of topic, that means keyword, lot of keyword we will find here. So we will select on keyword that will be our heading. So we can go for ultimate affiliate marketing guide. So this is our topic, and we want to create an article with this topic. Now we can go for generate ideas. Here you can see that we have got some ideas that is generated by AI tools. The ultimate affiliate marketing guide, how to make money online with affiliate programs. And number, affiliate marketing guide, the complete step-by-step business guide. Here you can see ultimate guide to affiliate marketing, a step-by-step resource for your success. Ultimate affiliate marketing guide, a comprehensive guide to make money online. So we can go for it. Next step, here we will generate intros with this topic. So go for it. It will take some time, and this is very easy to use this software. And here you can see that they have created 5 portion of intros of our video topic, so we can go for it. And number 3, the step number 3, go and outline. So create for outline, and this is working, and it will create outline for our topic. Here you can see that we have they have created the outline of our topics. So we can go for the first one and click on the next step. And now we will generate more contents about this outline. So write an article. Click here. You can see the artificial intelligence tools is creating article for our topic. So it will take some time. Now it's ready. So that's awesome, very awesome. And this Write Sonic tools, this is, and here you can get the free opportunities to create content, that means unique article. And every time you have to check the plagiarism of this content. So here we can copy and go for duplicate checker. This is a plagiarism checker tools. So here we will paste it, and we can add more topic and more content. So now copy it and paste into here, and here we have to check for I am not a robot and check plagiarism, and this will work for us. It will check our content is whether it is plagiarism or not. Here you can see our content is almost unique. We have to wait for some times to get the final result. And here you can see that our content is 100% unique. So now we have got our content to create videos. Now we will go for another AI tools that will create text to speech or text to videos. And our best software, our best tools is InVideoio. This is the best tools in my opinion to create videos from text to speech, text to videos. So now we are going to create from our text to videos. So go to InVideoio and create your account for free. Then click here to text to video, and then we have to select the white video, that means for YouTube videos. Here we can select and templates, and then we can use this template. And here we have to select our headlines. So what is our headlines? The ultimate affiliate marketing guide. So we'll paste the headings of our topic and then yesterday. Now we will copy the intro and then we will paste it here. Then we will copy all of the content and we will paste it into here. So this is our content which we have generated from the AI tools and for totally free. And then we will press the next button. Hey, that's too much text for on scene. Do you want to use rearrange it for you? No, we can continue anyway. And here it will working for us. That means loading. We have to wait for sometimes to make them the work for us. Now we can see that they have made the text to videos for us. So they have automatically select this video templates for us and the every line of our heading. So we can delete the heading portion and we are going to starting from the text option. So before and here you can also the edit option from you can change the templates and the text formats and the sound as well. Now we have to check all the portion of our content of our script and this software, that means InVideoio, has automatically select templates as our content topic. This is very nice artificial intelligence technology that has created this complex tasks easy for us. Now we can preview all, and here you can see that this video is for 4 minutes and 38 seconds. So here you can see that some music's added with this software. Otherwise we can input our own voice. We can record this script with our own voice and include it into our video. So this time I am only just showing you the text to video options, and in the next video I will show you how to create the voiceover for our videos. So here you can see that our video is ready. Now what we have to do is we have to download our videos. Now here is the button and we will click for the download, and when you have the you will buy their premium version, you can get the opportunity to download the videos as 1080 pixel. So now this is our free account and we have the only 720 pixel videos. Now we are going to click export, and then it will prepare, it will finishing our videos. And here you can see that we have already created our videos. It will take also some time and we can see that it's already created our videos. Now we have to download it. Here you can see that our video is rendering, so it will take some time to complete this video. Now our video is ready to download, so click on the download button and it will start downloading. So when we will get our final video, then we can easily upload it to our channel. And here is a pro tips that is very efficient for you to get rank on YouTube your videos. So the pro tips is, when you are going to uploading this video, you have to use the InVideio extension, and here is another tools for free tag generation, a tag generator. So here is the website is rapidtags.io. So here you can see that when we put our text into the search box and we just search for affiliate marketing, and you can see that this affiliate marketing tags will appear, and we can copy this tag and we will put this tag into the tag section of our video, and this will help you to rank and get lot of views to your videos. So that's it guys, this is the easiest and the most effective ways to create videos using AI content creation tools. So if you love this video, please smash the like button and subscribe to this channel to get our next video. So see you again. Stay well.